Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, a decision is expected this week that could have major implications for the local banking sector. The mediation hearing involving opposition Member of Parliament Fitz and the Bank of Nova Scotia over the application of certain banking fees is set for Wednesday, April 26. The mediation is required by the court to determine if the parties to the suit can settle the dispute before the matter goes to trial. Mr. Jackson filed 4 claims before the court seeking a declaration that the charging of encashment fees is a breach of the Bills of Exchange Act and for the fees collected from him to be refunded, in addition to the interest that would have been forgone.
If we are able to resolve it, or if the matter can be resolved of mediation, then the agreement coming out of the mediation would then terminate the case and it would not need to go to trial. I'm hopeful that Viennese will recognize the illegality and come to the table and confess of their sin, moral and legal sin, and then the matter will end there. But regrettably, they have dragged out the process because this mediation should have taken place from January, and their counsel have found ways to cause it not to be happening before Wednesday. But we persevere,